This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models, and welcome to stage 25, issue 25 indeed, of building the Dodge Charger RT from Fanhome and from Fast and Furious. This is a milestone issue. 25 is a good number, I like it. It's another sort of self-contained build, but I think next week, we shall be putting more bits together and building it all back up again. So Hector and his crew, yeah, that was the one about going to get things and do stuff, street racing. That's all fine. I like that. That's good. That's obviously a different Dodge. Is that still a Dodge? I don't know. That's the one we're building. That's the important one. I recognise that one now. It's been long enough that I can figure out, I can recognise that. If I saw one of these on the street, I'd know about it. Now, I wouldn't have 6 months ago, or, well, yeah, 6 months, 25 issues, 25 weeks. There we go. Yep. No, played Hector. For some reason, we get a picture of him, but we don't get pictures of some of the others. But let's have a look. So the Dodge in Spain. Yeah, they went to Spain in 1964. Fair enough. Right, this is what we're building this week. This time, the Firewall. In the following assembly session, you will be preparing the Firewall panel that you will then mount on your model. Follow our instructions carefully, using the illustrations to help you. I pretty much just use the illustrations, to be honest, but, you know, I do sometimes read some of the words. Right, let me clear the way. This is what we've got. This is the Firewall itself, which is a big chunk of metal again. The entire engine bay might be plastic parts in it, but the assembly and the frame is certainly all metallic. So that's that. This is going on to there. What have we got here? Safety catch. The bonnet safety catches are right. So this is where the bonnet's going to attach. Let's get that way round. That goes in there like that, and is held in place with a CM screw. But we've got to be careful about that. Ensure the pieces face the same way as those in the illustration, because this is where the little pins go through to hold the safety catch in place. So that's obviously that way. You don't want it that way, I don't think. You want it coming sideways, so just like that. So clean at the front, hole coming from the side. CM screw in the bottom, holding it in place. So finger over the end while I'm getting it on there. Get that in. And tighten that down. That's the job. Right, then exactly the same on the other side, making sure the hole is again lined up in the same way. Not that way, for instance. That way, sideways. And that should tighten up in there. Should. Why is that not tightening up in there? Because that screw isn't a screw. That's got no thread on it. Right. This is why you get spares. Yeah. So, yeah, if you get a screw that doesn't have any thread on it, then don't use it, because it won't work. Get that back in there, making sure it's still the right way around. Not like that. Not like that. Just like that. I can feel that. That's actually working now. There we go. Nice and secure. That one I feel could be a little bit tighter. There we go. That's that. So that is that. Then we've got to attach that way round the relay to the firewall. A small pin inserted into the mounting hole in the front. So it's just right. That goes into the little indentation up there. Just pushes in place. Fair enough. Does the job. Looks like whatever it's meant to look like. A relay, apparently. I don't know what it's relaying, but I'm sure it will be doing it just fine. Now, the last bit is the earth connector. So that's there. I shall dispose of that broken CM screw. The earth connector is going... I can't see where... Oh, it goes all the way over there. It's all right. The picture shows it looking like it's going there, but it's actually going up here. And is that way round. And goes into that hole there. Just like that. Which is in place. So there we go. The firewall is now ready to be mounted on the model, keeping it in a safe place until you need it. We need it next time. Next time is going to be the continuation and putting all the bits together. Well, not all of the bits together, but a good selection of the bits will be going together next time. I'm looking forward to it. But the rest of the magazine, as ever, we'll have a look. Timing under control. Yeah, it's all important stuff about how quick the sparks go off in the spark plugs and make the things explode. Timing belt, it's got teeth in it. It's like a giant gear, but yeah. So there we go. Many cars have a timing chain instead of a belt. Unlike the belt, which must be replaced during maintenance, the chain is reusable. All right, so yeah, they wear out. Chain wears out less quickly. Cool. Chains are more silent, quite silent as well. They can be because they use pins and rollers and things. But yeah, there we go. Fine, that's it. That is it. That is issue 25. So thank you very much for watching that. I shall see you very shortly for 26, or indeed another artwork that I'm building, or other videos will be appearing throughout the channel as time goes by. So thanks very much. See you soon. Bye bye for now.